Yes, students, in today's class, we will discuss developing experiences of India in comparison with its neighbors, China and Pakistan. Now, first, what are the reasons for slow growth and re-emergence of poverty in Pakistan? In Pakistan, proportion of poor in 1960s was more than 40%, which declined to 25% in 1980s and started rising again in 1990s. The reason for the slowdown of growth and re-emergence of poverty in Pakistan, as scholars put it, are as under. Number one, agricultural growth and food supply situation were based not on an institutionalized process of technical change but on food harvest. The economy was in good condition when it was not the economic indicators which showed stagnation and negative trends. Now, secondly, Pakistan had to borrow from International Monetary Fund and World Bank to set right its balance of payments crisis. There was also growing dependence on foreign loans on the one hand and increasing difficulty in paying back the loans on the other hand. So these were the main causes responsible for a re-emergence of poverty in Pakistan. Now, the comparison of India, China, and Pakistan on the basis of sectoral development. We can compare India with China and Pakistan on the basis of sectoral development with the help of some data. So far as agriculture sector is concerned, contribution of the agriculture sector, industrial sector and services sector in GDP in 2004 was in India agriculture sector, the share of agriculture sector was 22% and that of industrial sector was 26%, while as the services sector contributed 52%. Now, so far as Pakistan is concerned, in Pakistan in 2004, 23% was the share of agriculture sector, 24 industrial sector and 54 services sector. While as in China, agriculture sector contributed 15, industrial sector contributed 51 and services sector contributed 35% to GDP. This data, the source for this data is World Development Report 2006. So from this data, it is clear that secondary sector, that is industrial sector, is contributing the most to GDP in China, while in India, tertiary sector and services sector contributes the most to GDP. And same is the case with Pakistan.